Let me show you how I stop my snoring for good.
I ordered this doctor-recommended mouthpiece, and apparently anyone can get it, which is awesome. So at first, I was looking at this, y'all, and I'm like, dang, this is a bit big. I don't know about this.
But then I remembered that it molds exactly to your teeth. This is how quiet I sleep now. My sister says it's a miracle.
Have to use the special link in this video to get the discount. So go save now and conquer your snoring for good.